Hello and welcome to Carbike360.com, the car buying website that helps you buy better. On this channel, you'll see large SUVs, you'll see small hatchbacks, you'll see mid-size sedans, you'll see everything. And also lots of bikes as well as scooters and also EV. So in case you want to buy an electric car, an electric bike, or maybe a diesel SUV, or maybe a petrol powered mid-size sedan, we have it all. Not only do we bring you reviews as well as news, we also give you a lot of podcasts, a lot of relevant topics to discuss about, which help you make an informed decision. I also talk about things which are important, like the overall quality, the overall comfort, as well as things like airbags, ABS, and of course, everybody's favorite feature, the sunroof. I'll also jump in the backseat and tell you things which matter to you. Things like AC vents, how many USB ports are there, and also the all-important head restraints, which are a very important safety feature on cars in India. I'll also talk about the most important thing on any car, the overall size and shape of the boot, whether it's powered or not, as well as the depth, and if your mother-in-law will be happy to travel in this car with the large boot, or whether she'll not be happy. Isn't that something which is important to you and your wife? So guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.